Right, get back to working on the bullwheel mechanism, but before that there's something I forgot. The Scotch yoke here, I need to drill an oil hole 3 mils a bit in there. That's about 45 degrees, isn't it? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now that's how I'll oil the axle. Now this will be the material for the sliding nut once I cut it off, and it will be 5/8 long. That's halfway. Just occurred to me, this ruler has imperial on it. 3/4. But before I cut it off, I'm going to drill and tap the hole that will be going through it. The easiest way to do that will be to do it crossing to find the centre, then drill it. I'm going to do the drill and tap the hole now because it's easier to do it now than when it's a long piece than when it's a tiddly little thing. Right, M10, and I can use my good tap wrench on this one. After tapping all those deep holes, it feels weird for a tap to be, just about like one and done. Right, you may recall that I set the bandsaw to 28 degrees. I need to set it back to 90 now to cut this off. Right, bit of work with the file. Will go together like so. The bottom two will be there so it can slide up and down. And these two will go just over top so that it cannot jump up past that. 3 mils and 3 mils. Okay, these are going to be 3 millimeters in. This should be roughly 2 millimeters per side. You ever feel like someone somewhere is having a really good laugh at your expense? I don't know where my little G clamps have got to. 3 mil, 3 mil. Oh, 1/8 if I'm working in imperial, I suppose. I'm not sure how I'm going to hold this thing in the drill press. Well, clearance is clearance, as they say. Yeah, I had to shim it to stop this from flexing. Right, slight change up from how the book does it. I'm going to tap these rather than those. Right, we'll try the M8x12 first, I think. I think this might be bang on the money. And that's how it will work. Twenty. Well, we'll go with that, I think. I'm taking my time with this because it'll be my one chance to get it right. Alright, back in a bit. That should be the last I need of the F-clamps for now. Alright, tapping time. Right. Yeah, a couple extra. Oops. This assortment's been a good purchase. Alright, I'll give everything a quick clean before I assemble. I don't really remember how these pairs go together anymore, which is why I deliberately made the spacing different on these. Okay, it wasn't deliberate, it was a happy accident. So, yep, this on this side, this on this side. Okay, sometimes you do get lucky. I may need some shims between these. I won't crank those down just yet. Right. Yep, that'll do. Now to do up that set screw. Right, there is one more thing to go on there. Don't think I've shown you guys this yet. Thrust washers. I couldn't get bronze bearings for in there that had a flange on them, so I'm going to use these thrust washers instead. The way these work, see the little rollers there? The rollers are between the two washers. They can rotate easily without wearing. There we go. Take this out for a minute. And that's how that's going to work. Picked up this stuff. I'm going to see how well it acts as a preservative for the metal surfaces on this yoke. It's supposed to be all natural lanolin.